Unleash your inner cheese connoisseur without the midnight mayhem. Does the mere thought of a late-night cheese escapade send shivers down your spine because of the treacherous dark kitchen? We've all been there, the desperate craving for that perfectly aged Gouda, but navigating the kitchen in pitch blackness is a recipe for disaster. Introducing the revolutionary under-cabinet motion sensor lights, your knight in shining armor, or should we say cheese grater. These brilliant lights activate with a wave of your hand, illuminating the path to your cheesy treasure trove. You need to decipher the fine print on your favorite brie. No problem, these lights offer adjustable brightness for any culinary situation. Plus, ditch the endless battery swaps. These rechargeable marvels last for weeks on a single charge, ensuring countless cheese-fueled adventures. So ditch the darkness, upgrade your kitchen, and turn your midnight cheese cravings into illuminated snacking bliss. Check the video description below where to buy them, link in description. Don't forget to subscribe for more gadgets videos.